Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create Facebook page. So if you want to create a new Facebook page for your business, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create a Facebook page, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the menu at the bottom right or at the top right. This depends on your device. Once you selected that, then you should see pages. Go ahead and click on pages and then hang on. Then you should see all the pages you have on Facebook. Now to create a new page, click on create on the navigation. Then select public page. So this is going to be for business, creator, organization. So if you want to join Facebook content creator, make sure you select pages. Then go ahead and click on next. Give your page a name. So let me just give this a name. Then go ahead and click on done. Click on next. Once you click on next, you'll be prompted to select your category. So come here and select your page category. Then once selected, go ahead and click on create. Once you say you've created your page, you'll be prompted to choose whether to promote your product or service or create content and connect with fans. So in this case, let's say you want to start creating content. Click on create content and connect with fans, and then click on continue. Then you should say fill up this public information, your bio, your contact, website, email, and the rest. So fill up that and click on next. Again, click on next. Then you can go ahead, select all your friends to invite all your friends to like your Facebook page and click on next. And then here, stay informed about your page. You can just disable all of this to stop receiving notifications from Facebook about your page and then click on done. And that is it. So you should see your Facebook page opened just like this. You can now go ahead, add your profile picture and then add your banner and start posting on your Facebook page. So that's exactly how to create a page on Facebook. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.